Thursday, I told Frank. I said. All ready? Please stand for the flag salute.
To the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Madam Clerk.
Thank you, Mayor. Board of Commissioners, public meeting Tuesday, August 1st, 2023. The time is now 7:02. Pursuant to the requirements of the Open Public Meeting Act, Chapter 231, Public Law 1975, notice of this meeting was published in the December 8th, 2022 issues of the Nutley Sun, the Herald News, and the Star Ledger. A copy of this notice has been posted on the Nutley Town Hall Bulletin Board, and a copy is on file in the Municipal Clerk's office.
Roll call, Madam Clerk.
Thank you, John. Commissioner Kelly,
Present.
Commissioner Evans,
Here.
Commissioner Petracca,
Here.
Commissioner Tucci,
Here.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Here.
All present, Mayor.
Minutes, Madam Clerk.
We have Board of Commissioner meeting minutes for July 6th, 2023.
Move it. Second.
Commissioner Kelly,
Aye.
Commissioner Evans,
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca,
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci,
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye. Communications.
Thank you, Mayor. We have several this evening. The Department of Public Affairs has submitted an event application to hold a 5K march on Saturday, November 11th from 11:30 to 1 p.m., starting from the World War II monument to Kingsland Manor and returning back the same route. The Nutley Rotary has submitted a letter requesting to hold a raffle during their annual car show for Sunday, September 17, 2023, from 1 p.m. to 6 with the rain date of October 1st, 2023. St. Mary's Church has submitted an event application as well as a social affair permit for their 2023 Oktoberfest to be held on Friday, September 29th from 6:30 to 10 p.m. Holy Family Church has submitted an application for a social affair permit for their annual Italian festival to be held September 21st through September 24th at their location at 28 Brookline Avenue with various hours for those days. Holy Family Church has requested permission to hold a raffle on Sunday, December 31st at 1:30 at their location at 28 Brookline Avenue. And the Nutley Belleville Columbus Day Parade Committee has submitted an event application for their 41st annual Columbus Day Parade and flag raising scheduled for October 8, 2023 from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Starting from Franklin Avenue, starting in Belleville and then ending at on Chestnut Street in Nutley. And that's it for communications.
Move it. Second.
Commissioner Kelly,
Aye.
Commissioner Evans,
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca,
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci,
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye. Bills, Madam Clerk.
Thank you, Mayor. Bill list for August 1st, 2023. Public Affairs, $83,848.47. Revenue and Finance, $7,982,215.49. Public Safety, $64,892.00. Public Works, $74,219.15. Parks and Public Property, $735,704.35. Water Utility, $115,155.90. Payroll as of Friday, July 7th, 2023. Regular payroll total, $962,068.54. Overtime payroll total, $69,752.38. Total payroll, $1,031,820.92 for a grand total of $10,087,856.28.
Move the bills. Second.
Commissioner Kelly.
Aye.
Commissioner Evans.
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca.
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci.
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye.
That's it for bills.
Public comment on agenda items only. Anybody wish to address the Board of Commissioners on agenda items only? Seeing none, let's move on to Board of Commissioner announcements. Announcement, Commissioner Tucci, any? Commissioner Evans?
Um,
Petracca?
I would just like to ask you, Mayor, for a moment of silence. Marie Di Lorenzo passed away. She had Gregory at SYA for years. Charlie is now in an assisted living home also. So if we could just give them a moment, I appreciate it.
Mayor, can we also add while we're doing Lieutenant Governor Oliver?
Absolutely. So we'll have a moment of silence for the Lieutenant Governor and for Marie Di Lorenzo. Thank you.
Thank
Commissioner
you.
Kelly?
Nothing for me, Mayor.
All right, let's move on to ordinance introductions. Commissioner Petracca.
Yes, I have ordinance number 3525, an ordinance to amend an ordinance codified in the code of the Township of Nutley, Chapter 228, entitled Vehicles and Traffic, particularly Article 2, parking on certain streets, Section 14, title parking prohibited certain hours to amend the locations set forth thereon. This is for New Street. I move that this ordinance be passed to a second reading and advertised in the Nutley Sun together with notice required by law, and that further consideration of said ordinance for the final passage of the Board of Commissioners to be held at its second reading on
September 5th.
September 5th. Thank you. Move it.
Second.
Commissioner Kelly.
Aye.
Commissioner Evans.
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca.
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci.
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner. Going to move to public hearings. This is ordinance number 3518, an ordinance to amend chapter 652 of the Nutley Township Code entitled Tobacco. Open the public hearing. Anybody like to be heard on ordinance number 3518? Seeing none, I move we close the public hearing.
Second.
Commissioner Kelly.
Aye.
Commissioner Evans.
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca.
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci.
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye. Move the ordinance.
Second.
Commissioner Kelly.
Aye.
Commissioner Evans.
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca.
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci.
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye. Commissioner Evans?
Thank you, Mayor. Ordinance number 3519. This ordinance is for funding the improvements that we're seeing in the township for the school system, especially for the front of the high school, all the renovations for the high school, including some additional improvements for Radcliffe School and Lincoln School. This ordinance does not require any new bonding. It's a fully funded ordinance.
Anybody like to be heard on ordinance number 3519? Seeing none?
Move to close.
Second.
Commissioner Kelly.
Aye.
Commissioner Evans.
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca.
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci.
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye.
Move the ordinance.
Second.
Commissioner Kelly.
Aye.
Commissioner Evans.
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca.
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci.
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Before I say aye, I would just urge everybody in the audience to go and take a look and seeing what's being done in front of the Nutley High School. It looks beautiful. Aye.
My second ordinance is 3521. This ordinance addresses improvements to our zoning code, which have been evaluated and recommended by the planning board. Part of this ordinance will, in many cases, will eliminate the need for specific variances for various items on a property, such as if someone wants to put a portico over their front steps or locate a condenser unit for air conditioning. It modifies the code to allow these things without the necessity of a variance.
Anybody like to be heard on ordinance number 3521? Seeing none?
Move to close.
Second.
Commissioner Kelly.
Aye.
Commissioner Evans.
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca.
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci.
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye.
Move the ordinance.
Second.
Commissioner Kelly.
Aye.
Commissioner Evans.
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca.
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci.
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye. Thank you, Commissioner.
Thank you, Mayor.
Commissioner Petracca?
I have ordinance number 3522, an ordinance to amend the salaries of certain officers and employees of the Township of Nutley, County of Essex, State of New Jersey, effective January 1st, 2023, be it ordained by the Board of Commissioners of the Township of Nutley in the County of Essex, New Jersey, as follows. The salaries of on certain officers and employees, either permanent or temporary, as the case may be hereon mentioned, shall be as follows. Base salary from 65 to base salary maximum to 95. Move to open the public hearing.
Ordinance, anybody want to be heard on ordinance number 3522? Seeing none?
Move to close.
Second.
Commissioner Kelly,
Aye.
Commissioner Evans,
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca,
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci,
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye.
Move the ordinance.
Second.
Commissioner Kelly,
Aye.
Commissioner Evans,
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca,
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci,
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye.
Thank you, Mayor.
Let's move on to resolutions. Commissioner Evans?
Mayor, if I may, I don't have a resolution on for this evening, but I forgot an announcement. If I
Oh,
could,
go ahead, Commissioner.
I had one of those moments where I knew I had something, but forgot. And as soon as I said no, I looked at Commissioner Evans and realized I did have something. Commissioner Evans and I are teaming up, and we're putting on a junior entrepreneurship seminar for all aspiring entrepreneurs. This is for grades 4 to 8. We're going to be sponsoring a program for those kids who want to make a lemonade stand. We'll have my office, the health department, talk about good sanitary practices. We'll have from Commissioner Evans' office, John Detiniak, come in and talk about budgeting and finances, and it'll be a good educational moment. And the kids could really go out and put their skills to practice and put into practice what they learned. So it's a good collaboration and a good way for everyone to stay cool this summer and for some kids to make a couple extra bucks.
Sounds like,
Commissioner Evans, do you want to add anything?
No, we started to talk about inflation, inverted yield curves and things like that, but we decided against it. So
good move. For those four
No,
to eight-
yeah, I think
grade
it's
kids.
just a great program, and it might be something we can consider. Is if we get it on in time, is maybe do one of them at the farmers market for the kids.
Yeah, and I forgot the date. It's next Tuesday.
Well,
That's right.
It sounds like a educational and fun event, so good luck to both of you. Commissioner Evans?
Thank you, Mayor. I have one resolution. Whereas New Jersey statute 54:4-3.3 provides that war veterans who were honorably discharged from active service in a time of war in any branch of the armed forces of the United States who have been or shall be declared by the United States Veterans Administration to be totally and permanently disabled in connection with their wartime service are entitled to a full tax exemption of their dwelling and the lot on which it is situated. And whereas the following taxpayer has filed an application for allowance of a full exemption with proper supporting documentation, thus making the taxpayer eligible. And now therefore be it resolved by the Board of Commissioners of the Township of Nutley, County of Essex, State of New Jersey, that Eris Martinez, be granted full exemption from the payment of property taxes from July 25th, 2023, and all subsequent years thereafter on the property identified as 447 Harrison Street. So move.
Second.
Commissioner Kelly,
Thank you for your service. Aye.
Commissioner Evans,
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca.
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci,
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Thank you, Mayor.
This is resolution 16323, whereas raffle applications have been received from the following organizations: Nutley Irish American Alliance, license number 4523, on-premise merchandise raffle, license number 4623, on-premises 50/50 cash raffle to be held on Saturday, October 14, 2023. Nutley Rotary Club, license number 4723, on-premises 50/50 cash raffle to be held Sunday, September 17, 2023. Friends of Phoenix Center, license number 4823, off-premises 50/50 cash raffle to be held Tuesday, November 7th, 2023. And Nutley Rotary Club, license number 4923, off-premises 50/50 cash raffle be held Saturday, December 2nd, 2023. Whereas the applications have been reviewed and approved by the municipal clerk and the police department, Now therefore be resolved by the Board of Commissioners, Township of Nutley County of Essex, State of New Jersey, that the aforementioned licenses are hereby approved and the municipal clerk is authorized to issue said license. I move the resolution.
Second.
Commissioner Kelly.
Aye.
Commissioner Evans.
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca.
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci.
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye. Be resolved by the Board of Commissioners, Township of Nutley County of Essex, State of New Jersey, that the township clerk is hereby authorized to advertise for sealed bids for the 2023 Breedland Avenue roadway improvement project, Franklin Avenue to Bloomfield Avenue, in the Township of Nutley, to be received by the Board of Commissioners in the Commission Chambers, Township Hall, 1 Kennedy Drive, Nutley, New Jersey, on Wednesday, August 23rd, 2023, at 11 a.m. prevailing time, which time it will be open and read. I move the resolution.
Second.
Commissioner Kelly.
Aye.
Commissioner Evans.
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca.
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci.
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye. That concludes the business portion of our meeting. Anybody like to address the Board of Commissioners this evening? Seeing none, Mr. Bruno?
Do have a need, Mayor, to go into executive to discuss contract negotiations.
Can I have a motion?
Move it. Second.
Thank you. Whereas Section 8 of the Open Public Meeting Act, Chapter 231, Public Law 1975 permits the exclusion of the public from meeting in certain circumstances. And whereas the public body is of the opinion that such circumstances exist. And whereas the Board of Commissioners of the Township of Nutley, the County of Essex, State of New Jersey, desires to proceed to close executive session. Now therefore be resolved by the Board of Commissioners of the Township of Nutley move into close executive session to discuss contract negotiations. Be it further resolved that the time when such discussion may be disclosed to the public shall be when and such disclosure may be made without adversely affecting the Township of Nutley, pending and or anticipated legal, personnel, contractual matters, and other matters within the exceptions provided for by statute. This resolution shall take effect immediately. Commissioner Kelly.
Aye.
Commissioner Evans.
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca.
Aye.
Commissioner Tucci.
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye. There'll be no further business, so can I have a motion to adjourn?
Move it.
Second.
Commissioner Kelly.
Aye.
Commissioner Evans.
Aye.
Commissioner Petracca. Commissioner Tucci.
Aye.
Mayor Scarpelli.
Aye.
The time is 7:18.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.
How to say-